Hi, my name's Sergey Sundukovsky. I am using AWS Poly to verbalize the script, so pardon any mispronunciations. In the final project, we are implementing a multi-cloud solution enabled by infrastructure as code. Google Cloud houses Ansible, employed for configuration management purposes, and the production version of the server hosting a single index.html web page. Ansible server and production server are configured using Terraform templates. AWS is home to Jenkins continuous integration server used to run development, stage and production server configuration pipelines, as well as development, stage and production testing pipelines. Jenkins development and staging servers are configured using CloudFormation templates. Jenkins server is created via Ansible, where development and staging servers are configured manually. All CloudFormation scripts were taken from lectures and modified to suit our particular needs. Modified scripts contain server provisioning, VPC, subnet and security group setup. Development and stage scripts contain additional Docker and Git installations. All CloudFormation templates were executed via AWS Control Panel. All Jenkins environment pipeline scripts were also taken from lectures and modified for our purposes. Development, stage and production Jenkins pipeline scripts are largely identical. They contain code of getting source code, i.e. index.html, and images from the Git repository's appropriate branch, merging the code, stopping Docker container, removing Docker image, creating another Docker image, and starting Docker. Jenkins testing pipeline scripts consists of multiple tests that execute test for a particular environment. Tests are checking for server up/down condition, missing index.html page, and missing images. In addition, one of the Jenkins pipeline tests for validity of the index.html page. If page is invalid, Jenkins build halts and goes no further. As development, stage and production test pass, code is being merged along the way from dev to stage to master branch. In addition to server infrastructure, we configured 2 Git repositories. Public Git repository contains index.html and images to be deployed. Private repository contains infrastructure as code templates. Public Git repository has been configured through a webhook to listen to the push events on the dev branch. If such event has occurred, Jenkins dev pipeline gets kicked off. In order to enable appropriate Git and SSH communication, Jenkins has been configured with multiple plugins. Jenkins has been also configured to run the scripts under E91 user roles that has utilized an appropriate SSH key. I was responsible for private and public Git repository setup, Git user provisioning, Jenkins server, role and plugin configuration. I was also responsible for creating CloudFormation templates and AWS cloud provisioning. I authored Jenkins pipeline scripts and well as Jenkins pipeline test for HTML page testing. I also authored portions of final documentation. Our team collaborated using Slack, email and Google Suite. Specific aspects of our collaboration were the most difficult part of the project. Other than that, it was fairly straightforward. Thank you.